Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Is your Mac getting slower because apps are running in the background even when you are not using them? What if you could automatically control which apps you are allowed to use your Mac's CPU and battery? In this video, I will show you how App Tamer for Mac works, how to download it, and how it can help reduce unnecessary resource usage. So let's install App Tamer first. Open the browser. Now search for App Tamer for Mac and press enter. App Tamer monitors the application running on your Mac and can automatically slow down or pause apps when they are in the background. Okay, you can see here App Tamer. Click on it. This is the official website. Now you can see here download button at the top. Simply click on it. Now you will see the interface here. Click on allow. As you can see, the download process has started. Let the download to be done first. This app can be especially useful if you have apps that continue using CPU resource even when you are not actively using them. As you can see, it is successfully downloaded. Now let's install App Tamer. Simply double click on the DMG file. Now just drag App Tamer to the application folder like this. And that's it. Now close your App Tamer installer. Now open your launchpad and you can see here the App Tamer. Simply click on it. Now click on open. Now click on install. Installation needed. This is App Tamer installer helper. App Tamer needs to install a helper application in order to work correctly. Simply click on install. Then provide your Mac password here. Then click on OK. And that's it. App Tamer is set for your Mac now. On the top menu bar, you can see here the app icon and CPU usage. Just simply click on it. Once App Tamer is running, you will see information about the application currently using CPU resources. You can see here, you can select the individual app as I selected. Okay. You can select an individual app and configure how App Tamer should handle it when it's running in the background. From here you can manage it. You can also create specific rules from here. As you can see, when not in front, when idle. Okay, you can create a specific rule for different apps, giving you more control over how your Mac handles background processes. Okay. So why should you use it? App Tamer can be useful for Mac users who frequently multitask, run resource heavy applications, or want better control over background activity. It's particularly interesting for MacBook users who want to minimize unnecessary CPU usage while working away from a power outlet. So that's a quick look at App Tamer for Mac. If you want more control over background application and CPU usage, App Tamer is definitely a utility worth checking out. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share for more useful Mac apps and tutorials. Thank you for watching.